Good morning, students. Let's continue a new chapter of science, that is chapter 6, combustion and flame. So, this chapter also the part of your annual examination. Let us see what is combustion and types of combustion. Okay. So, and substance on the basis of combustion. Okay. So, in this class we will discuss about combustion and various types of substances and conditions for combustion. The first one, what is combustion? The chemical process by which a substance burns in presence of oxygen, along with it releases energy in the form of heat and light, is called combustion. So let us see what is combustion. The chemical process by which you can say the chemical process in which a substance burns. The chemical process by which a substance burns in presence of oxygen. That means you can say O2. In presence of oxygen, and it releases energy. Or you can say along with releases energy in the form of heat and light. In the form of heat and light. In the form of heat and light. Called combustion. Once again, what is combustion? The chemical process by which a substance burns in presence of oxygen, along with it releases energy in the form of heat and light, is called combustion. Okay, and there are two types of substances on the basis of occurrence of combustion. First one is called combustible substance, other one is called non-combustible substance. Okay, so let us see. First one, what is combustible substance? Combustible substance. The various substance that burns in presence of oxygen easily, along with it releases heat and light. The various substance that burns easily in presence of oxygen and it also releases heat and light, called combustible substance. For example, wood. For example, LPG. For example, paper. Okay. These given in your book. Okay, and kerosene. These are the combustible substances because these burns in presence of oxygen and also releases energy in the form of heat and light. Now let us see second one, non-combustible substance. Non-combustible substance. The various substance that do not burn in presence of oxygen and do not release energy in the form of heat and light, known as non-combustible substance. For example, salt. For example, you can see here given in your book also, salt, sand, or you can say sand, water. Salt you can leave, sand, water. Okay, sand, water, stone and iron. These four given in your book. You have to learn these examples only. So once again, what do you mean by combustible substance? The various substances that burns in presence of oxygen and releases energy in the form of heat and light, known as combustible substances. Examples are that given in your book, that is cloth, wood, kerosene, LPG, etc. LPG stands for liquefied petroleum gas. And what is non-combustible substances? The various substances that do not burn in presence of oxygen and do not releases energy in the form of heat and light, known as non-combustible substances. Okay, so these are examples. Now let us see next one, conditions for combustion. So there are three requirements of combustion. So first one, I will say condition for combustion. It requires three things. First one, a combustible substance. First is a combustible substance. The substance that burns, known as combustible substance. second thing is required, supporter of combustion. Supporter of combustion, that means here the supporter is oxygen, because without oxygen there is no combustion, there is no burning of a substance. And third one, attainment of ignition temperature. Attainment of ignition temperature. What is ignition temperature? The minimum temperature, or you can say the lowest temperature at which a substance burn, known as ignition temperature. So most of the substance require ignition temperature. Without the ignition temperature, they are unable to burn. So what are the conditions for combustion? First one, it requires a combustible substance. It requires supporter of combustion, for example, here oxygen. And third one, attainment of ignition temperature. That means without achieving the minimum temperature, a substance unable to burn. Now next one, what is inflammable substances? The various substances that burn below the ignition temperature. There are certain substances that also burn at lower ignition temperature, known as the inflammable substances. Inflammable substances. Okay. So what are inflammable substances? The various substances that burn at lower ignition temperature. Called inflammable substances. Okay, so this is all about combustion, types of substances on the basis of combustion, conditions for combustion, and inflammable substances. Inflammable substances, the most common examples are, you can say petrol. Okay, petrol, and here some more given: petrol, alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. So this is all about the first topic of this chapter. In the next class we will discuss about the remaining topics. Thank you.